how to fix Snapchat is a camera app on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat is a camera app on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and then just type here Snapchat and then click on it. And now all you need to do, click force stop, and then go to permissions and click camera and click allow. You will find it like that here, camera, click on it and click allow, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and your problem, or you will find your problem have been fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.